tire is automatically scanned. This casing is degraded. We must remove the steel wire first. These rings are pure high-tensile steel. Powerful magnets lift the steel tire cords. They separate them from the rubber. This creates the chips enter the secondary granulator. High-speed hammers reduce them to coarse granules. Produced granules are cooled to cryogenic temperatures. At -100 degrees, the rubber becomes brittle, shattered. Inside the reactor, a controlled chemical process takes place. It cleaves polysulfide.
We really want to celebrate the raw, rugged texture of this recycled tire rubber. It delivers both luxury.
Mold engineering is critical for performance. Every detail must be reproduced exactly. The lasting process transforms the flat upper. Specialized machines stretch the material, creating a 3D. Each blank is precisely weighed. Heat and pressure flow the rubber into the tread. The heat tunnel reactivates the adhesive. A frame press ensures a perfect bond.
Tension and alignment meet the standard.
Next, the natural cork insole is installed. An automated machine applies the adhesive.
Each material requires specific care, from the textile upper to the sole. Before
Each pair is carefully packed. Accessories are placed precisely, sealed and ready for dispatch.
Tracking every tire saved, turning waste into sustainable progress.
This sole is made from recycled tires.